Hi. The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. It's nearly 3 in the afternoon. I was editing the entire time mostly because I have to leave. So yeah, I have to leave in 5 minutes. I'm leaving to get my boyfriend's niece. She's gonna be in a video with me for the page New in Doha, and we're filming in Quest. It's like an arcade place, and they have this new Formula 1 simulator, and we're gonna be trying it. So guys, we just finished doing the Formula 1. Then they have a new Formula 1 simulator. It's not this one, it's over there. And now Layla is doing the hard ones. I can't go on this, I'll get dizzy, I will die. I'll try to film her. Good morning, guys. I don't know if I should call this Vlogmas day 20. I look so pale right now. It's only 7:45 a.m. I am waiting for my boyfriend to bring his dog over. Wow, I look horrible. I keep... That's so shocking. I thought I looked cute this morning, but why am I so red? I slept with my lenses. This is something I do a lot. It's so bad. You shouldn't do that if you have lenses, but I always forget. Like a few days ago, I literally slept in my lenses and I woke up with one missing and I panicked. You always have that feeling that one of them was gonna go inside your brain. But I realized it fell off of my eye while I was sleeping, and I was literally sleeping on top of it, and it became like this smushed rock. It was just crazy. So yeah, don't do that, and you wake up with super dry eyes and red eyes. That's why I always have like red veins here, which is a sign of like low oxygen in my eyes, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I want to say like gifts under the tree, but we have no tree this year, as I said, because of my grandma passing away. So we have the gifts under the nativity scene, and it's starting to like come together. There are a lot more gifts to come, but I'm hoping they arrive before Christmas. Alright, so let's talk about bone marrow. I have them in the fridge in water and salt. I left them overnight in this salt water. I think it's supposed to like kill the bacteria and like get rid of all the blood. If you're like me and you keep like scrolling on TikTok and you get weird ASMR videos and then you start craving this thing, then yeah, that's what happened. I would have never in my life thought I would try like a bone marrow. It's like literally bones, and I don't know, I'm someone who's like on the verge of becoming a vegetarian just because of the thought of animals dying, and now I'm here trying bone marrow because of TikTok. So baby, you had a good breakfast? We say hello when we come. He didn't say hello. He never says hello, he just goes straight for food. You wanna go pee-pee? So here are the bone marrow. Oh, it looks horrible. It's a bit later. I took them out from the, what is it? From the water. And I just realized they're bleeding. Oh. So I have salt, pepper, and cinnamon, I think. My mom did this. So I decided to put them on the stove for a bit. Okay, here's what they look like now. I'm gonna put them in the oven. I literally had them on like each side for about 2 minutes. I finally figured out how to turn on the oven. I'm heating the oven on 230 degrees Celsius approximately, which is about like 400 in Fahrenheit, I think. So I have vegetable oil and some of the fat that came out of the bones. Garlic, tomato paste, and beef broth. So I just had the bone marrows. I will link the short video. I never know where it's gonna come. I feel like it's here. Anyway, I will link the video for you guys. They are good, but heavy. Like, I think I had too many and I feel this like, I don't know. It's a lot of fat. By the way, I don't know if I said, my dad is coming tomorrow and my brother is coming in like 2 days, I think, or 3 days. And it's so exciting! Hey guys, it's the next day. Yesterday, I felt so sick after having the bone marrow. The thing is, when I was eating them, they were fine, they're good. But I think I had way too many. And I don't know what happened. Like a few hours later, I felt so bad. Like I didn't get sick or food poisoning. I don't think so, at least. But I was just not feeling well. Like my stomach was doing weird noises. That's what happened. And I ended up doing my nails yesterday. Not my favorite, but they will do. I feel like they're making me look like a witch, kind of. That's not really my vibe, you know. And I did one of them with sparkles. Wait, why can't you see? Okay, so yeah, I did this one with sparkles and that's the only one. And by the way, these are not my real nails. I stuck some fake nails and did some gel on top of it. Today I have work and I barely slept at night, but I'm gonna stop complaining. Shooting for an afternoon tea at a hotel in Shairib. It's called Al Wadi Hotel. I'm really hoping it's like a Christmas afternoon tea. I feel like it will be. It's a bit later, guys. I got ready for the job I have. This is what I'm wearing. Just like a pop of color. It's an afternoon tea, as I said, so nothing too like, I don't need to be in a dress or anything. I think that's enough. I tried a lip tint. I've tried it before, but that was such a risky thing to do because I don't know, I feel like it was so, it stains a lot, and thank God it looks decent. Actually, it doesn't look decent. My lips are not symmetrical and there's like a hole here. Oh God. And it's like completely dry. Like it's absorbed into my lips, and so I can't like smudge it in a way. Guys, a kid passed and literally took the whole bag. And I was like, wait, is that for free? And it's not. He gave it back. So, Dudu's coming in 2 days, and my dad came today. Wow, very nice. Whoa!
بتدوق يلا دوق خلصني بدنا نظبط رح تدوق 100 مرة.
It's chaos in the house. It's chaotic.
Yeah, just wait till I come home.
Yeah, and Ray is not even home. Like,
Yeah, 5 people in a single home. How did we live together?
just mom, pop, and Melo alone is like explosive.
Yeah.
Yo. Hey guys. Where's the light? Hey guys, it's the next day and I have to drive. Guys, it's a bit later. It's at I spent the afternoon making, like, decorating cookies. My mom made them and I decorated them. And Melo wants to go outside because we have people over and there's food outside, so he just wants to go there. Let me show you the cookies. They're not the best. I was not very patient. I know I could have done better, but like I didn't care that much. Here they are. I mean, all together they look good, but like one by one you start to see the mistakes and stuff. These are the cutest, kind of like the Santa hat. That's like a reindeer, Santa's glove. Anyway, I'm falling asleep. I'm waiting for my boyfriend. He's coming to spend a bit of time here. And yeah, tomorrow is the 23rd. My brother is coming. And the day after is Christmas Eve. I can't wait. I have an order coming tomorrow. Hopefully it arrives. And I'm so excited. I ordered some games and stuff like for Christmas Eve. By the way, about that brunch today, the band, I mean, they're not a band, they're just like two musicians, I guess, two artists that were performing together, but they are so good, out of this world. It was like a concert.